Yeah, good evening, sir. In the last videos, I think we are talking about inserting an element into an array. How we can able to insert a new element into the existing array. And in this, there are three cases there. What is the first case? We can insert the element into an array at last position. That means at the end. Second case, we can insert the element at first position. That means in the beginning. And we can insert the element at any location. Okay. Suppose if the location is existed in between that array size, then no problem. Suppose if it is not existed in between, then we may get some issues, right? So it will generate array index out of bound exception. Something like that it is going to be happen. Okay, anyway, we are not going to think about that too much. So while implementing the program itself, we have to take care of that. Now, in today's session, I want to talk about deleting. Okay, deleting an element. So from an array. Okay, I want to perform which operation? Deleting an element from an array. How we can able to do? Sir, the first case here, what I am going to consider is, so deleting an element, okay, deleting an element, sir, located at the given location. Okay, sir, I am going to provide the location. Okay, what we have to do, we need to delete the element which is present at that location. Okay, yes. So I want to delete an element located at the given location. Program is very simple, sir. Where is test.java? Yes, this is nothing but my test.java. So anyway, I need to deal with, so import java dot util dot star I am taking. Okay, so next and after that we have to take a class demo, because here only we will implement our main logic. Next and after that, here itself I am creating an array with elements something like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like this I have taken. Sir, first step is nothing but system.out.println. Already we have arrays class is there. In this toString method is there. Just if you pass an array, okay, if you pass an array, what it is going to return? It will return the array. So in a specific format provided by braces, all these things you are going to get. Let us cross check how it is going to work. So Java C I am taking. So test.java and Java space test, you can able to see we got the element in this state. So now my requirement is, can you please delete the element which is located at, in the demo class I am going to implement the method with name delete element at the given location. Like this I am taking, where I will pass an array, then followed by the location which you want to delete. So consider the location which I am giving is nothing but 0. So it is going to return an array. That array I am going to convert it into toString. So that what will happen? It will be converted in that specified format and it will print, sir. This is nothing but the concept what we have. So anyway, for this purpose, we have to go with, so static integer array is the return type. The method name is delete element at location, which is taking an array and integer location. Now, so what we have to do in this particular array, we have to delete. Okay, so we have to delete an element which is present in this location. Sir, now what we have to do for this process? Very simple, sir. For this process, I'm going to take some variables like k is equal to 0 and I required I also. I'm creating a new array every time. Sir, in our previous examples, like when you are doing insert operation, whenever you are inserting the elements, what we have done, sir, we have increased the size by 1 unit, because anyway we are inserting only one element. That's why the size is going to be increased. But whenever you are performing delete operation, what will happen? The size of the array is going to be reduced by 1 unit or not? Yes, that's why in our previous a of a dot length plus 1 we have taken. Now I am taking minus. Sir, don't do any operations on the a, because if you perform any operations on the a, sir, it is a reference variable. Okay, it is a reference, not a local variable. If you are doing any modification on this reference variable, those modifications will be reflected on the array. That's why, so don't take the modifications on array A, just take the array A and do all the modifications on B. So now observe carefully, I am writing a loop. So I am fetching every element from the A. Sir, I want to copy that every element into B of array. This is my task. At last, we have to return B array. Sir, what activity you are doing? Every element present in the A, you are copying into B. Suppose our requirement is we have to delete the element present in that location. Array, what you will do? Suppose if I is equal, okay, the given location, then don't perform copy operation. So don't execute rest of the instructions. Simply I'm going to use continue. Continue means what? So it won't do next activity. That means 12th line won't be executed. Again, the loop will continue from the next value. So that what will happen? That element won't be copied. If you want, you can see. For example, I have 11. So 12, 13, and then 14. Okay. What about the locations? 0, 1, 2, 3. Sir, I have given location I want to remove is nothing but 1. So how the program execution is going to be taken? Sir, it will create an array with how many elements here? 4 elements are there. That means with the 3 locations. So 0, 1, 2. This 0, 1, 2 will be maintained by k. Initially k is equal to 0. Sir, if I is equal to location, when I is equal to 0, is this value is matched with this value? No. Condition not satisfied. Then copy this value. Sir, is this location is matched with this location? Yes, sir. Then continue. Continue means it will go to the next one. Is this value is matched with this one? No. Copy that value. Sir, is this value is matched with this value? No. Copy this element. So that this element will be written. So these pointers will be maintained by I, and these index values will be maintained by k. That's why I have introduced the k plus plus. Okay, this is the simple operation what we have. Sir, anyway, I need to cross check really is it working or not. Let me cross check. Java C test.java I'm taking. Okay, so Java space a test. The original array is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, sir, after doing modification, that means after removing the element available at 0th location, the elements are nothing but 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sir, is it coming or not? Yes. Now I need to cross check by providing different locations. Sir, can you please delete the element at first location, second location, third location, fourth location, fifth? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see what will happen. Sir, you can see original elements are nothing but 10 to 15. In the first one, 10 element got removed, that is in 0th location. In the second case, the element which is located at first location got deleted. In the third case, the element which is located at third location got deleted. Okay, so 0th location, first location, I think here second location. This one is nothing but third location element. So fourth location element. Okay, fifth location element. Like this, all the elements got deleted one by one. After deletion, so what output we are getting? It is a red mixer. So hope you people got a very clear clarity about these, how we can able to perform delete operation based on the location. Okay, sir, is this concept is clear for everyone? Please confirm. Can you please confirm everyone? Is the concept is clear? Deleted element can we see? Yeah, we can see. If you want to see the deleted element here itself, you can print that deleted element. Okay, so here you are doing continue, right? So in this you can print. Okay, can we delete all by using this? If you want to delete all the elements, so simply you can prepare a function. So why we are converting array into string? See, somewhere in the last videos I explained very clearly, there is one function is there called toString. So what is the purpose of toString? So generally if you print the array, we are going to get arrays in this format. Okay, like this we have to print one by one. Okay, but once if you use a toString, it will print in the form of list, so that readability by default is going to be improved. Okay, what is that, Chaitanya? I told that don't share the links in the chat. I is not equal to location. No, it won't work. I think so. See, if you are using I is not equal to location. See, the problem here is nothing but we have to skip that element. Okay, if you want to skip that element, then we have to use this continue only. Okay, I want to stop that iteration and I want to continue from the next. If you are using not equal to, what will happen? That I value will be controlled. Okay, but anyway, we are copying the value, right? It won't work. And someone is asking, sir, if you want to delete all the elements, what we have to do? So very simple, you can invoke the function. Okay, so second case I will take for this. So I want to delete all elements in an array. How we can able to delete all the elements? Very simple. Here I can able to take. So static integer array I'm taking. Okay, so integer array I'm taking. So I'm taking delete all. So where you can receive array, that's all. Sir, here simply I'm going to create an array B. Okay, so with how many elements? 0 elements, and simply I will return that B. That's all. Now if you ask for that, it will delete all the elements. System.out.println of arrays dot to string of, so demo dot, what is the function name we have used? Delete all. Just pass a value. That's all. Now see what will happen. Is it going to delete all the elements or not? Yes, definitely. Sir, you can able to see. Of course, we are not deleting one by one. Okay. So just we are going to use that reference. That's all. Okay. So don't do this operation on the existing array. Don't do these operations on the existing array. That also I will show you what problem we are going to get. Okay, so don't do on existing array. So that means what I'm trying to explain here is, sir, don't take like this. So a is equal to new int and take int is take take a, like this we should not do. What will happen if I'm performing like this? Anyway, array will be 0, but after that if you print this, so what output we are going to get, that you need to observe. Okay, oh, it is returning. Okay, no problem, no problem. That modifications is not reflecting. Okay, no problem. You can use like this also. Okay, no issues. You can use. No, no, no. For deleting one by one, can we use recursion? Yeah, we can use, I think so. Okay, you can use. Right. So now the next one, what I want to do here is case 3. Sir, what is the third case here? Case 3 is nothing but, sir, I want to deleting an element. Okay, so from an array. Sir, I'm not deleting location based value. I want to delete an element. I don't want to delete a location value. I want to delete the element. Then what we have to do? So demo dot delete element. That's all. Sir, yeah, from this array, I want to delete this tensor. Sir, is it possible to delete? Yes, no problem. You can do that. Sir, let us see how I am doing. So static integer array, it will return delete element, which will take an array and which will take element. Sir, whatever operation we performed in the previous case, same operation we have to do, right? Same operation. Nothing is going to be changed. But the only modification what we have to do here is you need to take one more variable with name index. Index value is equal to -1 I am taking. So I variable is required and k is also required. I'm not creating b here. Okay. Then, so after this, so what is your operation? First, we have to find out the index. Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus, I am fetching one by one element. Sir, if your a of I is double equal to the element which you are searching, then, sir, your index will become I and then break the loop because first occurrence itself, it will stop. Sir, if your index value is not equal to -1, okay, if your index value is not equal to -1, sir, if your index value is not equal to -1 means, then what is the situation? Sir, that element is existed, that element is existed, then we are taking a loop. Okay, if that element is existed, then we are taking a loop, but before that we have to create a b array with how many elements? A dot length -1, because if the element is existed, size will be reduced by 1 unit. Then we are copying all the elements. Sir, if I is equal to index, first we are finding the index. Okay, then we are doing the same operation. Okay, sir, after this we are going to return b. Array, sir, if that element is not existed, if that element is not existed, array, sir, can you please return that a itself? Because if the element is not available, how we can able to delete? Simply return a. That's all. Okay, now we are going to cross check. Sir, in this what operations we performed? Only two operations. Anyway, we know how to delete the element present at the given location. Sir, we have to find out that location where it is available. So once if you got the location, then that's all. Removing will become very easy. Now, sir, let us see here. Really, is this element 10 is going to be removed from this list or not? Sir, have you observed, is that 10 element got removed or not? Yes, successfully it has been removed. Sir, can I remove in the same way 11? Okay, so can I remove this 11? Yes, this 12, 13, 14, 15. Can I remove this? Yes, happily we can able to do this process. Now you can able to see. Sir, in the first case, the element 10 got removed. In the second case, the element 11 got removed. In the third case, the element 12 got removed. In the fourth case, the element 13 got removed. In the fifth case, the element 14 got removed. In the last case, the element 15 got removed. Like this, all the methods are working perfectly. This is the way how you can able to delete the element present at the given location. At the same time, the element present at, the given element, both are same. So in the case of index space, directly we are deleting. And in the case of element, first we will find out where that element is available. So based on that, we are finding the element, right? So I think the concept is very clear for you, right? Do you have any doubts, friends, up to this? Can you please confirm? Right, sir. So the next one, what we have here is the next operation, updating. Instead of finding the location, can we delete directly? How we can able to delete? Suppose I have a group of 100 values are there. I want to delete 99. First of all, we have to check where that 99 is available. So compulsory, first we have to perform searching operation. Then only we can perform removal operation. Okay. So updating element. Okay, updating element. Sir, updating element in an array. So how you can able to perform this update operation? In this also there are two cases are there. What is the case one? Updating based on location. Sir, how you can able to perform update operation based on location? Anyway, I will take example for this so that you can understand well. So consider this is nothing but the array what we have. Okay, I am taking arrays dot to string of. In the demo class, I have to define update element. Okay, update element at location. Sir, I am going to give the location where I will pass the array and I will pass the location. Maybe I want to replace with 999. Okay, in which location? Sir, in 0th location. Sir, now we have to define that. How we can able to define? We will see now. Right. So what is the method name? Method name is nothing but update element at location, where it is going to receive an array and it will take the location and it will take that element also which you want to update. Sir, how you can able to perform operations here? Very simple. I am going to define one more array. Sir, this array size will be same as a dot. Whatever elements are there here, okay, same number of elements will be there. And I need to perform copy operation, right? Sir, what is that copy operation? For integer I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus, I want to copy each and every element present in a of I to b of I. And sir, if the location is greater than or equal to 0, at the same time, if the location is less than a dot length, that means what? I'm checking the bounds. Okay, whether is it going to cross the array index out of bound exception or not, I'm checking. If it is in between this, then b of that location is equal to, directly we can take the elements. Okay, then we have to return b. Suppose if the location whatever you have given is not existed, then it won't raise any error. Simply it is going to return. Like this we have. Now I need to check really is that element got updated or Sir, is it updated or not? Yes, 999 is updated at 0th location. Now I need to update remaining locations also. Let me cross check. In the first location, I want to update second location. So third location, fourth location, and fifth location. Really, is this update operation is going to be performed or not? Yes, you can able to see that 999 got updated in every position, whatever you have given. Sir, can I take one position extra? I want to update in seventh position. Will it perform update operation? Let me cross check. So it is returning the original list as it is. Even it is not raising any error message. Okay, if you want to print error message, you can take either in main method or even in that function implementation also, we can take, no problem at all. This is nothing but updating the element based on location. I think you people got very clear clarity about location based update. Can you please confirm? Do you have any doubts up to this? Yeah, we can do. The problem with that is, see, why I am taking every time new array and I am returning means you can do this on the same array itself. Okay. So if you want to do on the same array, these operations are not required. So directly you can take A of location and you can return A. Okay. You can return A. Like this also we can do. See what happens. Have you observed? In the first array, this is the replacement done. Since it is returning the same array, next time this element will be already updated element. This one is going to update. Like that we are getting. So to overcome that problem, I have taken like this. Okay, why I have taken, sir, what is the, can you explain again condition? See, we have created a new array. Okay, then what are the elements existed in the old array? I am copying into the new array as it is. So copying completed. Then what is that location they have given? We need to update the element. In this array, we have to perform update operation based on location. So they have given location at the same time which element you need to insert in that location. So if the location value is greater than or equal to 0 and less than a dot length, that means if it is in the proper range, then b of that location is the valid value, right? So b of that location is equal to the new element and we are returning that p. Nothing is there. It is the easy condition what we have. Okay, sir, can you please confirm up to this? Do you have any doubts, everyone? Right. So the next case, what we have here is, so the next case, what we have here is, sir, I want to update. Okay, just a second, please wait. Yeah, second case, what we have here is, element based updation I want to do. Okay, sir, I want to update based on element. So listen carefully. So static integer, update element. That's all. I am taking one integer array. Okay, and here I am taking old element and integer new element which you want to update. Sir, how we are going to call? So assume I want to use this update element. Rest of the things I am removing. Okay, sir, I want to update which element? I want to update this 10 with 100. Okay, or this 10 with 111 I want to update. Otherwise this 10 with I want to update with 999. Sir, what we have to do? What is our first operation? Anyway, we are going to create a new array. So since this size won't be varied, that's why whatever size we have, with the same size we are creating an array. Then what is our next requirement? Sir, copy all the elements. Okay, like for I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus. What we have to do? We need to copy the elements which are present in a into b. Okay, I performed copy operation. Then again we have to check array for I is equal to 0, I less than b dot length, I plus plus. Every element present in the b array. Okay, sir, is that old element got matched or not? We have to check. Sir, if anywhere old element got matched, then what we have to do? We have to perform update operation. Then your b of I will become new element. That's all. So if you don't want a second occurrence, simply you can able to take break. Suppose if I want to perform update operation on all the elements, that means all the occurrences, then we can go with you can remove this break, so that what will happen? It will perform all update operations. Sir, I want to update only first location, first occurrence. Then you can define break. Sir, I want to update last occurrence. Keep the break as it is. But instead of taking from the left to right, take from right to left. I think somewhere this kind of scenario already we discussed, sir. Okay. And sir, after performing this, what we have to do? Just we need to return that new array called b. That's all. Sir, now I need to cross check really this element got updated or not. Sir, have you observed in that 10th location, I mean 10th place, is that 999 got updated or not? Yes. Sir, if I want to replace 90 with 999, is the element 90 is existed? No. Then previous array as it is will be available. So if the element is available, what we are doing? If element is not available, then what will happen? I think both cases are very clear for you people. Okay. Sir, do you have any doubts about this performing update operation? Can you please confirm? Right. So that's all about today's session, sir. Rest of the things I will continue tomorrow. Okay, sir. Tomorrow maximum session will be there or not? It is a doubt because I already told my mother's tomorrow operation is there, eye operation. So I will confirm you by tomorrow evening. Okay. Maximum if work got completed, I will take the session. Otherwise, I will keep the display. Okay. Anyway, I will inform you tomorrow, sir. Okay. Right. So thank you. I will update the running notes within few minutes. You can download. Thank you, guys. Sir, admin team will be, yeah, I will inform them. Okay. Thank you.